So hey guys, what's up, welcome back to a brand new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how to make embed command, and we'll be making it under cogs. So we'll see how to make a command under cog, and so let's get started. So first thing first, we'll write client.load extension cogs.embed because this will load the extension embed.py, and we need to create a directory named as cogs, and then we can create any file in that cog. So we'll write first import discard as usual, and from discard dot ext import commands. Also we need to import date time and also async IO, and from datetime we need to import datetime. Now we'll write class embed, and now we'll write here commands dot cog, and def init, here it will be client. Let's remove this, we don't need this, and if you need anything else feel free to import it. So write client equals client. Now now we can create our events or commands. So to create an event, like we do client.event, we'll write at commands dot cog dot listener, and we can just write async def on ready print embed dot py loaded, and we are done. Now we'll write to create command, we'll write at commands dot command. Now we'll write async def embed. Also we can write aliases here, so we'll write aliases equals em. Now async def embed will pass parameters self, ctx, and message, which will be equal to none. Also we'll put an asterisk here. Now we'll write if not message, so if message is not entered, then await ctx dot send enter message within 30 seconds. And now we'll save that, and we'll create a function as def check message. We can write msg here, message return message dot author equals message dot ctx dot author, and message dot channel equals ctx dot channel. Now we'll write under try function, we'll write mes equals await self dot client dot wait for message check equals check, and timeout equals 30 seconds. Now accept async io dot timeout error await ctx dot send timeout. Please be quicker next time, and we'll write else message equals mes dot content. Now we'll create embed, so we'll write em equals discord dot embed. We can write date, not date time. We'll write description equals f-string and message, and also timestamp equals f-string again, not f-string. We can simply write datetime dot UTC now, and then now we'll write color, so color equals discord dot color dot random, and C would be capital. Now we'll set author, so let's just set author. We'll write name equals f-string again, ctx dot author dot name hashtag ctx dot author dot discriminator and icon url equals f-string again. Let's write ctx dot author, wait, we can just put that here, dot avatar URL. We can save it and send the embed. So we'll write await ctx dot send embed equals em. We'll save this and we'll run the bot. So let me just go to my directory and open terminal here. I hope everything is safe. Python 3 main.py, run the bot. It must be on, and I forgot one thing, that is def setup client dot add cog, and then the cog name, which is embed, not embed. That's right, embed. Let's write embed here, and then again client, and we'll save this because it must have raised error. Async IO. Wait, that will be a mistake again. Of course it will be async, not async. Async IO. Okay, Now we are done, and we'll run the bot. Listener, I think. So after fixing the stupid error, and that error being the typo in the word description, our bot is working now, and I think that it's on. So now if I write em, then it must ask to enter message, and if we write hello world, it will send the message, I guess, but it didn't. I don't know why. But what if you write em hello world, and then okay. Hello world, yeah, it did send that. So now there's some mistake over here. Async dot timeout error. There's no mistake in embed also. Def check message. What if I'll do message and message and message and message here again, and this to MSG. And rerun this. I hope it works, because that did work. So embed message is not defined. Inline line 16. If not, oh, it will be MSG. And this thing is annoying me also, so temporarily remove that. Python 3 main.py, and let's write embed. I hope that bot's online. Yeah. So embed hi, and it's working. Yeah. Again embed hello, and it's working. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. So drop a like, and I'll see you in the next video. And also join my Discord server. I got a ping there, I don't know why, so I'll look to it, and thanks for watching.